book here, which is Repression of Montagnards, to sort of inform policymakers in Cambodia and in Vietnam, the U.S. and Europe, the UN, what was going on and what were the problems? Why were people feeling that they had no option but to, leave their homelands? Mm-hmm. That's a long time ago now. That was 2001. And fast forward to now, I'm based in, the southeastern United States, not far from Greensboro, North Carolina. It's my pleasure and my honor to continue working with Montagnards here, many of whom I knew, in the camps. Some of them were just little toddlers up to my knee, and now they've gone to college or they founded their own business. But for me, personally, it's very inspiring to see the efforts that